Hi guys, welcome to the Purple Box. Today we will be doing a one pot meal with rice and chicken. So let's go on with it. These are the ingredients we need for this dish. Half kgs of Govindbhog rice, 1 kg chicken, ginger which is grated and garlic with peeled baby potatoes, small onions, sliced onion, 5 of them middle size, half tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, 1.5 tablespoon of jeera powder and a half tablespoon of dhania powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 4 tablespoons of kasuri methi, small quantity of basic whole garam masala. Our ingredients are all set. Let's go to the next step of cooking. This particular dish I will be doing in a rice cooker. So I've heated some oil and I'm adding the whole garam masala into it. Now I will put the potatoes and here goes the whole onions and we'll stir it for some time. We'll add a hint of salt and then cover it for some time. After around 2 minutes, I will add the ginger and the garlic. Mix it well and again cover it for around 3 more minutes. Now I will be adding the tomatoes, the red chili powder, the jeera powder and the dhania powder and mix it and cover it for another 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the tomatoes have become soft and now I will be adding the chicken and mix it with the masala. I have mixed the chicken with the potatoes and the masalas and now I will keep it covered for another 3 minutes. Now I have opened the lid and the chicken has started becoming a bit soft. So at this point I will be adding the rice. I have mixed the rice with the chicken properly and now I will allow it to cook for another 2 minutes before adding the water. Let me mention, this rice was soaked in water for half an hour before coming to the pot. In between, I am frying the chopped onions and making it brown. When I have added the capsicum and now I will be pouring hot water into it. The quantity of water is very important in this recipe. So I have taken rice 2 bowls, a particular size 2 bowls. So now I have added 3.5 bowls of water into it. So the measure is 175%. After around 10 minutes, I have opened the lid. You will find it a bit sticky right now. So don't worry. You add the ghee, the kasuri methi and the garam masala powder and then mix it properly. Our one pot rice meal is ready. You don't need anything to have along with this, but of course you can have it with curd if you want. Do not forget to like this video, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, The Purple Box. Till then, enjoy this dish. Bye.